How's it going, everybody? Mike here, October 27th, Merch by Amazon sales update. So, as you saw in the title, it had to happen. And there has to be the worst day of the month. And hopefully, yesterday on the 26th was it for me. But more than that, this is the first day this whole month that my sales in the US have dropped below 10. That was kind of a big deal. Even when I was getting lower days, they were looking like this, 12 and 13. I had some late starts to the day where, for example, I even did a video where it was 3 p.m. and I had like 2 or 3 sales. But that day ended up being something like 19 or a 20 sales day. But yesterday that wasn't the case. 8 sales in the US, and today's going okay so far. It's about noon, but still, it's definitely a little different than some of these other days. In my, I guess, defense, or in my, I don't know, whatever gives me comfort here, my overall sales were in double digits. So I did actually get 10 sales total. But that was in all the marketplaces. But again, that was a pretty big dip because I'm used to days like this. And but I've been mentioning that I'm fully expecting days like this to come back, because 8 sales in a day was my average before, let's say, September, and that was definitely not unusual. So anyways, that's kind of where I am, and that's okay. We'll see how today goes, and then the rest of the week. I was even thinking that there might be a chance that I beat my best selling month ever, which would have been 580 sales in the US. I don't know if that's going to happen. Let me just look at the calendar here. So what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and today. So 5 days. Maybe if they're like this, but it doesn't look like it. But again, we'll see, because I would need to get 107 more sales. So it's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tough, but that's okay. Let's look at some of the other numbers. So far, this month's total is 473. Total sales, $9,266.11. So it looks like I'm gonna crack $10,000 in sales this month, hopefully. And royalties, as you can see, $2,071, and royalties per sale are looking really, really good. That was yesterday. Let's look at, so let me actually just show you. So we'll look at the overall sales for this month, but I wanted to show you. So my total sales are 523. These are all the sales. As you can see, Japan stands out, UK, Germany was amazing last month, but it slowed down, and then random sales everywhere else. But this is the chart that I want to show you guys. This line here represents 10 sales. The big lines are US sales, and as you can see, if we go from October 1st, every single day was above that line, and then here we are yesterday, 8 sales. I mean, these 2 sales over here did help, but it's just funny to see. Again, it's actually really awesome if I'm going to look at it from a positive point of view, because this is the first day this whole month where I didn't get 10 sales in a single market, which is amazing, right? Other than that, there's really not much to say. I'm still hitting my 1,200 uploads every single day. I've talked about getting the number of designs up. I actually have a strategy. I'm going to start doing that, and I just want to find the most efficient way to kind of achieve what I want, because a lot of my descriptions and titles will be the same for the designs that I'm thinking about. And so basically just generating those designs will be, I guess, the most time consuming thing, but using Canvas Titans or Canva, let me see Canvas Titans automation tool, it should be fairly easy. And it looks like today, by the end of today, I will have over 120,000 live products on Amazon. So again, that is just amazing. That's it. I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully today, we get over 10 sales, but you never know. But so far, this month is looking great, and hopefully it just continues that way. I'll see you guys soon.